Imagine your shop had a video game scoreboard. Growing bars show what is winning. Then a tiny robot coach leans in and whispers a smart tip. Here is the cool part. Every sale gets counted, one by one, every hour. The AI robot reads them, writes a tip, and pops it on your phone. This is the scoreboard for Sam's lemonade stand. Lemonade is the big winner, cookies come next. In one glance, Sam sees exactly what people love most. On Monday, the robot coach texts Sam a tip. Sam sold more cups this week, and Saturdays are the best day. Reply copy to repeat it. The scoreboard proves it. On Saturday, Sam sells way more cups than any other day. So make extra and open a little earlier. The numbers already knew. No guessing here. Every single sale is remembered down to each cup and cookie. 2 lemonades, 1 cookie, 1 iced tea. The robot never forgets a thing. The robot also spots weird stuff. Lots of kids looked at the new poster, but almost nobody bought. The robot guesses why. Maybe the price is too high. Here is the best part. Tap any bar and you see a real customer. Nor used to visit every day, but has not come in 2 weeks. And every tip is a button. Nor missing is not just sad news, it is a chance. 1 tap sends Nor a free cookie to come back. You do not build any of this. It already tracks new kids, repeat kids, and favorites. Want something special? Just ask a question and save the answer. So here is the magic. The scoreboard updates every hour. An AI robot writes your tips. And you can save the whole list with 1 tap. That is the scoreboard and robot coach on Remarketly. It shows what wins, whispers what to do, and helps you act. See you at Remarketly.io.